Working from home has its perks, but it also has its challenges. Let's go over some tips to ensure you excel at working from home. Keeping a normal routine is key to staying productive while working at home. Try to wake up around the same time each morning, get ready for the day even if you don't plan on leaving home, and take normal breaks and lunch just like you would in the office. Make yourself available at the same time as your teammates. This is especially important when working on projects that require collaboration and open lines of communication. Having digital face-to-face communication with coworkers helps people feel connected with their team and the work they do together. It's also good to keep weekly one-on-one meetings to check in and connect on work and life. Create a space for normal conversation with your teammates, whether it be in a Slack channel or a weekly meeting via video call. Having digital water cooler conversations can boost mutual trust and even generate great ideas. Perhaps one of the most important things to have is a way for everyone to submit work, receive feedback and get approvals. Long email chains are not the place for this. Instead, use one of the many task management applications available to track and streamline the work your team is doing. Each person on your team was hired for a reason, because they're good at what they do. Trusting that they will accomplish tasks on their own while working from home is crucial to a productive work-from-home environment. While the tips in this video are not an end-all solution, they are a great start to forming productive habits and excelling at working from home.